What's the meaning of beside? Beside. Beside.
Beside. Beside. The word beside is a preposition that is commonly used to indicate the location or position of something in relation to another object or person. It can also be used to express the idea of being close or near in proximity to something or someone. When used as a preposition, it often implies a sense of comparison or contrast between two things. For example, beside the tall tree, the small bush looked even more insignificant. Additionally, beside can be used figuratively to mean in addition to or apart from, as in beside his wealth, he had little else to offer. Overall, beside is a versatile preposition that can convey a range of meanings depending on the context in which it is used.